center?
Oh, because he was like
Over it?
well, it's too.
Yeah, it wasn't his style, his thing, not local style, that's for sure.
Well, he needs a girl to
Full time?
hug and hold. He
Oh,
got
full
talked
time.
to on the phone.
Okay, yeah, no, that
He's
long
like-
distance relationship,
Yeah.
I forgot.
He's like,
That's another fun thing.
but yeah. Anyway, but he's on.
But they've been together forever, haven't they?
A while. She was living at.
With you guys.
No, she's living. No, this is a different girlfriend.
Oh, this is new. I didn't
He's
know
with this girl for a year. She was living at Sean and Evie's,
Oh,
which
okay.
island.
Oh, they were living over at Grandma's then.
Yep. They were getting their laundry done and they're living there.
Oh. I can come out. See if I can grab it with my claw. Yeah. Okay. No, we're in. You in? I'm in. Below. This is the one we wanna lift the travel side. No. Here. All the way down the whole damn thing. But my hole, I ain't gonna hit nothing. Go check that up. See how that is doing. Down?
Yeah.
Beautiful. No, right on. And then I was just gonna go in and try the travel of the window. You know, just
A little.
what, you need to come more to me? Cause I still could get it. I
it's
haven't
like
put
a-
that top screw in.
It's like a 16th on the
I
bottom.
need to go this
But
way.
But the funny thing is it's to here, it's tight all the way up, and then from here to here,
There's a gap.
there's a gap.
Oh geez, that's in the frame itself.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, that's not, yeah.
And then at the top, it's out to get it perfect.
Yeah, we're not gonna get it perfect. We're gonna say it's too low.
Yeah.
Put 3 of these pads in. Yeah, cause my jam will ride on these. Right? I knew we wanted to keep these for something. Right? And then I push the other one and they both go all the way. Da, 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 da.